Hello Vijay, how are you? Congratulations for your new role and successfully completing 4.5 years with Hyderabad plant. In your leadership, the plant has seen a double-digit growth continuously, and anyway, it's no small role being a supply chain manager of a complex supply chain like Hyderabad plant. I've appreciated your leadership qualities varying from keeping your team together to distributing their responsibilities clearly, the way you have driven SIM4, the way you have always had very good networking with different people across the globe, and also you never got lost into emotional or the smaller things and always kept your focus on the bigger picture, which I think was key to you staying afloat in this challenging role. I want to personally thank you for your time, understanding and patience, for the small tea breaks we've had, and I wish you all the very best for your next role, which I feel that you will do very well for the qualities that you hold. Rather, I feel the next role will see the new you, and we'll all hear a lot of good news vis-a-vis your career growth and progress. I wish you all the very best. Do stay in touch. See you. Bye-bye.
I'd like to share with you my personal and official connect with you. On personal front, really enjoyed working with you both in the office and after the office hours. Really enjoyed the parties at your house, especially your maid's dishes, and we always cherish the trip to Machilipatnam for Veera's wedding. So I really, and you are known as the Dubai Sinu at my home. So, and coming to the official front, I feel you are the king in terms of dealing with the tough situations, especially, and because you know how to deal with the peak situations, peak order situations, as well as how to deal with the high attrition situations. So a lot of things to learn from you. And maintaining the team togetherness between the people, I feel there's a lot of things to learn from you. And I feel you are the top contributor for Hyderabad in terms of the growth during 2015 to 2020. So thanks a lot for all the things for Hyderabad, and wish you all the best for your career, and keep in touch. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to speak about my dearest friend and excellent colleague Vijay. First of all, I will always remember him on his birthday, because he shares birthday with my brother, which is 25th of October. Am I right, Vijay? But more than that, I will always remember him as an most composed personality, a true gentleman, soft-spoken person, but very effective worker. Because of his very calm personality, he has delivered many of the things very effectively, very efficiently. One advertisement is going on nowadays on the TV. It is about some washing machine, which many celebrities are doing this one. That talks about high performance, no noise. So this advertisement or this product or this notion is very well fit for Vijay. He is the brand ambassador. He can be a brand ambassador for this product. So best of luck, Vijay. I loved working with you. Looking forward to meet you again, to work with you again. I will love to work with you again. Thank you very much.
Hi Vijay. I have known you for about 5 years now, and we are working together here in Hyderabad plant for about 3 years. It's been a wonderful journey working with you. You are a very supportive and kind person. Like I keep saying, whether it is passion or fashion, you are ahead of all of us. Knowing you, I think you will do extremely well in all that you take up. Would like to wish you all the very best, and let's be in touch. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks for your support. It was great pleasure working with you. I still remember the initial days challenges where we used to go to Chennai port and challenge the customs out of the boundaries and deliver the results. It was great learning for my career. I wish you great success in your life. Thank you.
Hi Vijay, very warm good morning to you. I didn't expect the farewell will be in such a manner, but since we are working in a smart factory, we will adopt a new way of farewell, that is to digitalization, mainly to maintain social distancing during this COVID-19 pandemic. I have learned a lot working with you over the year. Thanks for all the support and the goodwill you have shown over the year. Those memories I will never forget. I'm looking forward in staying in touch with you moving forward. No matter where you work, you will always be a colleague until the end. Good luck for your new role and assignments in Snyder Hyderabad. I know you are going to do great. Thank you.
स्कूल में अगर आज हमारा कंपनी चालू होता तो शायद आज हम सिक्स कर पाए. Okay, looks like it was very nice time spending with you for past 6 to 7 months in Schneider. जैसे आपका नाम था मिस्टर कूलमैन, आप हमेशा हर चीज़ को एकदम कूलली कामली ऐसे ही आप डील करते हो. दैट्स अ वेरी गुड पार्ट इन यू एंड व्हाट अदर्स कैन लर्न फ्रॉम यू. कितना भी टेंशन में, कितना भी प्रेशर में हो, बट यू शो दैट कूलनेस इन यू. यू विल बी वेरी कूल. दैट्स अ वेरी नाइस पार्ट. एंड जैसे हमेशा हम सिमत्री में आप चैलेंज करता था, पार्ट आया आप करो, प्रोडक्शन करो करके, एंड हम भी वैसे ही लगता था पार्ट हो गया अभी कैसे करने करके. That was very interesting part, your daily routine. And thank you for your support. I wish all the best for your future job endeavors and future.
Hello sir, it has been fun working with you. We shared a great bond discussing personal and professional things with each other. You have been a great mentor to all of us. I truly admire the way you orchestrate and rally the team towards the common goal. Wishing you all the success in your new assignment and looking forward to see you soon. Anyways, you owe me a drink. Thanks. Bye.
Hi Vijay sir. Really very hard to accept that this is your last working day with us. It was really good time, the day which we worked together. And many things which impressed me. The first one is your decision making skill. It was always inspired me, and also your support and encouragement during the crisis as well as a good time was very very commendable sir. In addition to being a colleague, you have been a great friend at work. I am very lucky that we work together. I have learned a lot from you these past years which I worked with you. I know you will be successful in your new position as well. Wishing you all the best for your future. Thank you sir. Thank you.
Hi sir, it has been a great working experience with you, and you are such a good person, having a lot of patience, listening to others, and in any situation you do things very systematically. With the key things which I learned from you throughout our journey. And with a great sadness, it's hard to say a goodbye to you, but looking forward to work with you again in future. All the best for your all future endeavors, sir.
Hello Vijay, this is Wendy from Singapore. Surprise! Thank you so much for all the support that you have given me for the past year. It's really sad to see you leaving the plant, but at the same time, I am very happy for you for your new career. Wish you all the best in your new job, and don't forget me. See you.